Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is Derek.
Good night, and this Silas!
And this is Sai, and we're here at the San Diego Zoo, and we are going to take a peek at some of our favorite birds. I hope you enjoy the video. The San Diego Zoo is also home to a lot of really great aviaries. It's actually also a botanical garden and a home to many different varieties of bird species. This particular aviary is located towards the front by the orangutans. And we have all kinds of things here like toucans and other various species. It's one of my favorite aviaries, and it's really peaceful in here. Sometimes it's like a really nice place to just go and read. It's definitely worth checking out. This aviary is located near Tiger Trail. It is home to many different species of animals, including the ibis. The ibis is a bird that looks like it has a brain on the outside of its head. It's kind of cool because it has this neat adaptation where his beak is very long and curved, and his nostrils are actually located at the base of his beak instead of the end of his beak, so he can dig around in the mud or in the water and still be able to breathe. It's pretty cool. It's also home to many other species of birds, but I thought this one was rather cool looking.
Hi, I'm Silas. This two-story aviary is very impressive. It's located in Africa Rocks. It's home to a lot of beautiful colored birds. Right now we're at the beach, and they live in woodland Central East Africa, and they eat honeybees, bumblebees, along with other flying insects. Want to know what those holes are? Well, actually, some bee eaters make holes in rocks to live in. Those holes are actually deeper than they look. I hope I don't get stung by a bee. Haha. Anyway, see you later. Hi, I'm Derek, and these are African penguins. They have white bellies, so when predators look up at them, they blend in with the light. The black tops blend in with the dark ocean gel. This is called powder shading. It's a great form of camouflage. They have webbed feet to help them steer. They have flippers for hands that help them fly through the water. they have special adaptations like fins to help them swim, waterproof feathers to help them glide in the water, and a beak to help them catch the fish. The beak is specially created with a hook inside that catch the fish and keep it from swimming backward. And that helps them swallow. They don't chew their food. Penguins are my favorite. What's your favorite?
This is Stella, the secretary bird. She's called this for a good reason. She looks very professional with her long legs and gray coloring. She also looks like she has makeup on. The feathers coming from her head actually kind of look like hair. Don't let her appearances fool you though. She is a very fierce creature. She has amazingly tough, almost scale-like skin on her legs. And a very strong stomping ability. She also is very quick. She eats things like rats and mice and different things like that, but also snakes. She is actually immune to their venom. When Stella grabs the snake by the tail and the snake tries to strike at her, her strong scale-like skin on her legs will protect her. She'll grab the snake and she'll beat it against the ground and stun it or kill it, then gulp it down. She also can stomp 5 times her body weight, killing anything that tries to come at her. Her legs are very strong. You can find birds like Stella in the grasslands or savannas of Africa. She's one of my favorite animals here at the San Diego Zoo. This is Enrico. He's a magpie. He's very clever. He'll flip over small stones and look for insects and grain and small mammals. They love to eat. There he is. Very quick. They stockpile and hide things in different places to save for later. It's pretty cool. Magpies are
secretary bird.
So I'd really be doing the San Diego Zoo a disjustice if I didn't bring up the California condor. These are actually fantastic birds. Even though they're not necessarily pretty to look at, they're actually important in our ecosystem. These birds were actually near extinct not long ago. And the San Diego Zoo came in and rescued these guys and started a breeding program. So their numbers have very much increased. Why are these animals so important? Well, that's a very good question. They're important because they eat all the undesirable things out in the wilderness, out in the desert. You'll find like carcasses of animals and animals with diseases that have died. Well, you don't want that in the air, that those diseases can spread and make other people sick, make other animals sick. So these animals, like the vulture, in fact, they're from the same family, they will go and eat the carcasses of whatever is laying around with all these diseases and all these sicknesses and all this, rot, and they will process those things. So now it is no longer a threat to us. They're kind of like the trash men or the cleanup crew of the wilds. So they're actually really important. I hope that I've changed your mind about these birds, if you were not a fan. Sometimes looks can be definitely deceiving.
Hi. Here's another stop at the zoo. Look at the flamingos. It's a flamingo stampede.
They're very noisy.
A filter feeder is kind of like you have noodles and you have a grater. You move it left and right salty water now. It's kind of like a grater.
Like a sift?
Yeah, like a sieve. And also, when they filter feed, the swift and the water are pink, that turns them pink. So flamingos start out gray and white, like those over there. Isn't it cool? Looks like that one was showing off a second. There's also quite a few ducks here, and bye. Flamingos build their nest by pushing dirt up into mounds, not mountains, mounds. What's your favorite bird? Put it in the comments below. Yay!